Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to present Flux, a smart and efficient digital payments ecosystem that brings together AI automation, DeFi yield strategies, and decentralized architecture to revolutionize how we send, receive, and manage money. Flux is built on EXAT, a Bitcoin layer 2 network, and is designed to make transactions not just faster but smarter and financially optimized. The challenges in digital payments. Current digital payment space is riddled with inefficiencies. First, manual transactions are still very common and they often result in delays and outright failures. Second, recurrent payments such as salaries and subscriptions require user to remember and execute them every time, which is not only annoying but prone to error. Finally, many users and businesses hold idle crypto funds in wallets or treasuries that don't earn any yield, missing out on major DeFi opportunities. Flux is the answer to these questions. It is a decentralized platform that allows user for secure automated transactions powered by AI. With Flux, you can send and receive money instantly and let the system manage the logic for scheduled and repeated transfer. Everything is handled transparently by smart contracts with zero manual effort. Key components of our application. First, instant transfer. Flux enable low cost peer to peer transaction with blockchain level security. Second, AI payments automate everything from payroll to streaming payments. And third, Flux supports multi-chain flexibility, offering ability to move funds across blockchains. How Flux works? Step 1, user initiates payment through web interface. Step 2, AI agent takes over, monitoring the scheduled markets and conditions in time. Step 3, if the funds are idle in your wallet until a later payout date, the AI automatically invests them into liquidity pools to generate passive income. Once the due date arrives, it executes the payment automatically by extracting money from the pools and securely, all governed by smart contracts. So let's go ahead and see the demo of our project. So this is the landing page of our project. As you can see, the future of smart finance. Flux is an AI powered decentralized payment ecosystem. How Flux works: you connect your wallet, you configure the workflow, like you decide who if you want to send a like recurrent payment or normal payment, you add the person you want to send the amount, and then you can set up the payment type. Either it can be one time payment or a recurrent payment. Then afterwards, the idle funds in your wallet can be automatically invested in the best liquidity pools, and everything is done and managed by AI agent here, as you can see. So let's move forward. Let's go here. As you can see, the wallet has been connected automatically. I'll log in as an organization for now. Here you can see you can set up the new payment here. A recurrent type like payment interval can be seen here, and also you can see the payment agent is active. So this is the payment that is active right now, and that is this 0.001 BTC. And if I click on process payment, it will metamask pop-up was shown, and the payment to the this wallet address have been done. as you can so as you can see, confirm transaction. Then you can also set up the recurrent payment. As you can see, I'll set up 0.00001, and let's take it as a 1 minute, and let's set up payment. Once I confirm, we will able to see the active payment counter increment by 1. Let me refresh. Here it is. As you can see, here is the payment that has been happening. And here you can see that the AI agent is working. Like found one active payment, and payment zero is not due yet, as it's constantly AI agent is constantly, after some time, is constantly looking for the due payments, and once the payments are due, he will automatically the pay AI agent will automatically process those payments. And as you have seen how the payment recurrent payments are set up. Let's move forward to the liquidity yield part. All the funds that has been all the fund that is that is idle in your wallets can be deposited into liquidity pools, the best earning ones. What AI agent does is it finds the best liquidity pools to invest in and invest the idle funds into those liquidity pools all by himself. And before the uh, payment is, like, if you process all the payments on 5th or fifth, after the fifth date of the month, after those, what will AI agent do? It will remove the money from liquidity pools before the 2 days before you have to pay the payments. So this is how it works. Once you have done with all the payments, AI agent will automatically invest all those idle funds from your wallet into the liquidity pools to generate yield. And once you have to pay, once the due date comes closer and closer, it will remove all the funds from the liquidity pool, and it will send those funds back to your wallets, automatically send those into your wallets for the payment you have to do. And like this, your idle funds are generating some income for you. Okay, let's see how are this. Let's see the witches have the best out, that this one has the best, what you would say, the yield, best yield, output yield. Let's deposit 0.001 here, and let's click on deposit. Once we confirm the transaction, we'll able to see our liquidity position here. The transaction is confirmed. Let's refresh the page. Here it is. As you can see, my liquidity position, and here you can see the total depositor values, total yield earned. Right now I am earning this much yield on the amount I've invested, and the positive. From here I can also withdraw my positions, and then I can harvest yield in some time. And in advanced option, we have option to lock our funds for some certain days to get more yield. It's an optional it's an optional thing to do. And here it is. This is how uh, the idle fund from your wallet are generating money for you. And not only everything is handled by AI agent, as AI agent handles everything, so there is nothing to worry about. Everything is done and dusted correctly. At last, I would just like to say that Flux is not just another payments app. It's an self-driving financial system built on top of Bitcoin infrastructure, with AI handling execution and DeFi handling growth. Flux gives users and businesses a smarter and leaner way to manage digital money. Thank you.